Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we are going to be doing a 12-minute warm-up. You should use this warm-up video before and even after your dance practices. Alrighty guys, we are going to start with our feet, shoulder width apart. We're gonna start up at our head and we're gonna work our way down. We're gonna warm up every body part. Here we go. We're gonna look down and look up. And down, up, down, up, down, up. Now side to side, 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 side. If you notice, I'm going nice and slow. I want to warm up my neck, but I don't want to over push. And now we're going to tilt. Tilt. Very good. Okay, we're gonna make a nice circle. Down and around. And very good. Other side. Down and around. One more circle. Very good. Our shoulders up and down, up and down, up and down, up. And now we're gonna roll them back, 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 back. And now bring it forward, forward, forward. Really big circles. Really try to get those shoulders up to those ears. Very good. We're gonna do one back, back, forward, forward, back, back, forward, forward, back, back, forward, forward, back, back, forward. Very good. Open your arms to the side and we're gonna do big circles. Big circles going back. Very good. We're gonna keep this arm open to the side. Let it get a little burn, little workout in there. And forward. Very good. 3, 2, 1, and switch. Other arm going back. Very good. And switch. Going forward. Very good. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Tiny circles. Really small ones. Very good. 2, 1, going forward and switch. Going back, tiny, tiny circles. Pump those arms, feel the burn going forward. Very good. 3, 2, 1, elbows going in, 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 in. 5, 6, 7, feel that burn and out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shake it out. Very good. Shake it out. We're going to take our arm across, other arm on top. Feel that stretch in that arm. Hold it there. 3, 2, 1, and switch. Very good. Hold it there. And arm up. And other arm on that elbow. Pulling. Hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. Very good. And arms down, breathe in all the way up. And we're going to hinge forward, reach towards that screen, hold it there. Very good. And release. Try to touch the floor. If you can't, you could stay up here, put those hands on the knees. If you can, touch those toes, touch the floor. Very good. Roll up slowly. And open the arms one more time. Breathe in and hinge forward. Hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release those arms and bend the knees and straighten the knees. Bend the knees, straighten the knees. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll up, chin to chest. Open the arms to the side. Reach that left arm over your head. Very good. Hold it there. 3, 2, 1. And touch that toe. Very good. Like I said, if you can't get all the way down there, that's okay. Stay up here. Where's your maximum? Find that maximum and hold it there. Each day, it will get better and better. Very good. We're going to turn those toes. Hold it there. 3, 2, 1. Bend and straighten those legs. Bend and straighten. Bend, straighten, bend, straighten, bend, straighten. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. We're going to turn those toes back to the front. We're going to put chin to chest, rolling up. We're going to do the same thing. Open your arms to the side and other side reaching over. Very good. Hold it there. And 3, 2, 1. Touch that toe or your knee, wherever is most comfortable for you. Hold it there. And we're going to turn those toes. Very good. Hold it there for a second. You can keep it up here. If you can't touch those toes, that's okay. 3, 2, 1. We're going to bend and straighten. 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 Do it again. Bend and straighten. Bend and straighten. Bend and straighten. Bend. And very good. We're going to turn those toes back to the front. We're going to put that chin to the chest. Roll up. We're going to warm up our hips first before we get into our lunges. Get ready. Big circles with those hips. And big circles. Very good. And other way. Big circles. It may look crazy and you may feel crazy, but this is really going to open up those hips. Good. Last one. Very good. We're going to lunge over to our side. Very good. We're going to hold it here. You can put your hand on your knee. You can even get down, touch that toe if you want. Whatever is most comfortable for you. Very good. Hold it there. And turn. Lunge down. Very good. You can keep that hand on that knee. You can go to the ground. Hold it. Very good. Come back up, turn to the side, and straighten that leg. Here we go. To the other side, lunge it down. Like I said, hand on the knee. You can go all the way down, whatever you feel most comfortable with. And we're going to turn those toes. Very good. Hold it there. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. We're going to turn back, come up. Very good. Walk those feet all the way in. We're going to put our foot out in front of us. Our hand is going to pull those toes back. Very good. You should feel a good stretch in that calf. Okay, come up and switch our foot. Pull that toe back. Hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And come up, feet together. We are going to, if you can get a wall, a chair to hold on to for your balance, we are going to grab that foot, knees together, pull it, hold it there. You can put out that arm out in front of you if that helps with your balance. Very good. And switch the foot. Hold it there. Very good. And release the foot. Very good. Feet together. We are going to do rises. So we're going to go up on our toes and back down. Here we go. Up and down and up and down, up and down, up and down, and 5 and 4 and 3, 2, 1. We're going to hold it there. Hold it up. Feel that center pulled in nice and tight. Head pulled up. Hold it. And 5 and 4 and 3, 2, 1, and done. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.